I'm going to just shuffle the cards, and whenever you want to say stop, just say stop.
Stop.
Remember the card. Don't show me. Don't say it out loud. Just remember it. Could you? Do you have it in mind? Perfect. That's it. Now it's inside the middle, somewhere in the middle. Do you know what number it is?
Yeah.
No, not the card. You know how deep it is inside. Do you know if it's like the 10th or if it's the 20th card? Not really, right?
not really, no.
I think you do know. I think you do know.
Okay.
I'll tell you what I mean. Could you give me your hand like this? Yeah, perfect. We're gonna do a cut, and you still know where your card is.
Yeah.
You're subconsciously following the cards. I want you to give me a number from 1 to 52 where you think your card is. Go. Whatever pops to your mind.
32.
32.
22.
22. Deal 22 cards.
22 cards?
Yeah, go ahead.
So
Just deal it. No, face down.
face down?
Yeah, 1. Keep on going. 2,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
22. All right, 22.
31. 32.
And you said 32, right?
32, yeah.
Now look, if you would go one beyond or one beneath, it wouldn't have worked, right? But you picked one card. What was the card that you picked?
I can say it.
Yeah, I could say it.
5 of clubs.
5 of clubs. What is the card you have in mind?
It's a 5 cloves, so the 5 black is the...
Black 5.
Yeah, black,
Black 5. Look, isn't this amazing if that card, the card you stopped at, would be the King of Diamonds? Would be the King of Diamonds. Isn't that amazing?
That's what it is.
It's amazing.
It is.
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't, but that's amazing. No, it really is amazing. I'm not even joking. Because if you would have gone one card beyond, you would get to the 5.
Oh, shit.
Or one card after, also
What
5.
the fuck?
Actually, the King, could you hold that? The King is the only card which is not the
What
card
the fuck?
Because all of the fucking deck is 5s of clubs, man.
I love it. I love it. That's good shit.
What the fuck? Holy shit. What? 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 Another God's gift.
Thank
Someone's
you,
getting
man.
God's
Thank you
gift,
very
guys.
much. Thank you
wow,
very much.
Man, what the fuck? Man, man, give me a hug, man.
Sure, man.
That's
Of
cool.
course.
That's cool. That was great. Man,
Thank you very much,
congratulations.
man.
Damn, that was awesome, dude. What? Oh my God, yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You're good.
All right, man. That's so. Shit.
Have an amazing day, bro. Have an
God bless
amazing
you.
day.
God bless you. God bless you. Any jewelry, anything, you guys get discounts over here, whatever you want, tours, anything, man. Come
You know
see me.
what? Could you go get a watch?
A watch?
A watch, yeah. Go get a watch.
You want to come with me real quick?
No, we can stay here. Or you want to get in?
Well, I don't know if we can bring the camera in there or what.
Yeah, this is great, I think. This is perfect. This would totally work. Yes.
Okay.
As long as it's working like this, it works. I want you to see that the hands do move when I take the stem out, right?
Yeah.
So what I want you to do is please, I'm going to spin it out, okay?
Yeah.
And I'm going to stop like where you're going to stop, okay? So you're going to take the watch and keep on winding it, but without watching, like without seeing
Okay.
what's in, okay? So put your finger in and start moving it down
Okay.
without just look at me.
Okay.
And wherever you want to stop, just say stop, whenever you feel like.
Stop.
Right here?
Yeah.
Perfect. Have a look. Is it this way or that way?
It's that way.
This way.
Yeah.
Okay. Remember the hour, like the time.
Yeah, I got it.
You have it?
Yeah.
Hold it. Don't let me see. Just have it in your mind, okay?
Okay.
Think
Can I
about
show Gary?
Of course, of course. Okay? You have it? Look at me. Could you count, please, out loud from 1 to 12? Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
You're good. You play poker?
No.
You should. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11. Don't blink. You're blinking. 8, 9, 10, 11. It's a 10, right? Is it a 10 something? 10 something? 10. Don't say anything, okay? Don't say anything. Anything. I'm going to ask you questions. Don't answer. Just keep your poker face and keep silent. Is it above? Is it like after 10:30? Is it before 10:30? Is it after 10:15? Is it before 10:15? Is it after 10? Oh. Ooh. You weren't. You said in your mind. You said yes when I asked if it's before 10:30. So it's before 10:30. But when I asked about 10:15, you were bewildered. Is it? Don't say anything. You said yes. Don't say yes. Keep on poker face. Is it 10-4? Is it 10-14? 10-16? Is it exactly 10-15?
No. Yeah. I mean.
Yeah.
Pretty much on the dot.
Yeah.
Yes, right there, man. That was cool, man. I mean, yeah, it's on the dot.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, you read my fucking mind. How'd you even just see? See, that's what I don't get sometimes. How they guess? How they fucking read the mind? Did you not? The last trick was outer space.
Yo guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see some more epic street magic, check in tomorrow and see some more of that. If you want to see more of me, click here. I talk a lot about psychology and philosophy of magic, so if you're into that, do click over here and watch more of me. See you tomorrow for some more street magic.